Happy birthday! Congratulations! Dual citizenship ka na. Welcome to the club. Wish ko, as usual, as everybody wishes na good health, siyempre. Good health and medyo bawas-bawas ng timbang. Ang laki mo na. And what else? Lapit ka na rin mag-retire. Pero still, kaya mo pa. Hanggang 65, kaya mo yan. Para marami pang marami pang maipon. Sige, happy birthday!
Hello, Kuya Arthur. Happy birthday! Bah, parang kailan lang, no? Ang bilis ng panahon. Birthday mo na naman. Marami talaga akong naaalala sa ating dalawa eh. Naaalala ko yung uso pa yung maliliit na plaka. Tsaka yung 120, ano ba yun? Nakakaligtaan ko na din eh. Aging na. Pero siyempre, yung lahat ng mga alaala natin dalawa, hindi ko rin naman makakalimutan. Lalo na nung pumunta tayo sa party nung gabing-gabi. Saan ba yun? Sa Joris. Kala ko di na tayo makakauwing buhay eh. Nakakatakot eh. Tapos nung nag-aaral ka na sa PUP, madalas nasa Bacood pa din ako. Ngayon, mga anak naman natin. Sana pagpalain tayo ng Panginoon na maraming taon pa. Para kahit pa paano, masubaybayan pa natin sila. Minsan nga, nangingiti na lang ako pagka naaalala ko yung mga araw natin dalawa eh. Sa haba ng pinagsamahan natin. Sabi ko nga, makakalimutan ko birthday ko pero hindi yung birthday mo. Ilang taon na lang, senior ka na, parang next year. %20 discount ka na. Enjoy sa kaarawan mo at sana dumating naman yung time, nandyan ako para at least makasama kita sa birthday mo. Nandito kami ngayon sa Southampton, kagagaling ko lang ng Alaska. Mag-transfer ako, panibagong barko. Tapos neto, punta naman ako ng Italy. Kumusta na lang kila Auntie Goye?
Hi! I just want to greet you a happy birthday, Paring Art. Actually, you're my best friend since grade school pa tayo hanggang ngayon. Ikaw ang isang taong very close to my heart. Forever tayo magkaibigan, hindi man tayo nagkita before, pero intact pa rin yung friendship natin. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, of course, yung healthy life. Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mga buhay. I know you're a good father and really a good friend. Happy birthday. Stay kind and of course, magandang lalaki. Mahal na mahal kita, pare. Happy birthday.
Hi Arthur, happy 60th birthday. 6 decades of life, love, and adventure. Wishing you all the joy and happiness in your life. Happy birthday!
Hi Arthur, happy 60th birthday and welcome to the club of the senior citizen. Marami ka na rin discount. So enjoy your special day and always keep healthy.
Yes!
Matanda na tayo.
Yes!
Okay.
Stay strong and fit!
Nanonood kami ng F1.
F1!
Kaya maingay, dito pumunta kami sa tahimik.
God
Happy
bless!
birthday!
Happy birthday!
God bless! Ingat!
Happy birthday, Tol, tropa, kabady, teammate, former drinking buddy, best friend. At salamat sa Diyos sa panibagong taong ipinagkaloob niya sa iyo, sa mahabang panahon ng pagpapala at iingat niya sa iyo at sa iyong sambahayan. 60 anyos ka na, ingatan natin ang ating katawan, hindi lang pinansyal ang pinag-iipunan sa pagre-retiro, kasama dyan ang ating kalusugan. Kaya, ingat-ingat. Salamat sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, Kuya Arthur. Welcome to Senior World. Happy birthday.
Happy
Ingat
birthday.
palagi.
Hi, Kuya Art! Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. So hangad ko ang patuloy na kalusugan, kalakasan, maging ng iyong pamilya, ni ate, ng iyong wife. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo, paggabay mo sa amin. Isa kang tunay na kuya, di ba? Maraming salamat sa iyo. Happy birthday! I wish you all the best. Lagi tayo mananalangin sa isa't isa. Maraming salamat and I love you!
Hello, Pangulo. From Tagaytay kami. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyong 60 taon. Isa kang malaking karangalan ang pagiging kaibigan ka, katropa, kabarkada, at panganay na kapatid at kakumparihan sa loob ng maraming taon. Sa bawat pagkakataon, ipinakita mo ang tunay na kahulugan ng pagkakaibigan. Laging andyan, handang makinig at sumuporta. Sa milestone na ito, ipinaabot ko ang aking taus-pusong pagbati para sa mas maraming taong kaligayahan, kalusugan at tagumpay. Maraming salamat sa pagiging tunay na haligi ng ating barkadahan. Hindi ka nang iiwan. Cheers sa mas maraming alaala at kuwentuhan. Pangulo, muli, mga ligayang kaarawan. Maraming salamat. Mahal ka namin. From Matatag, from Tagaytay. Hello, Sir Art.
Hi, Sir Art! From Tagaytay!
Matatag!
Happy birthday!
Ulit, game na.
Okay,
Game. Hello, Sir Art. Matatag na kaarawan sa'yo from Tagaytay.
Matatag na kaarawan, Sir Art! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Art. Wishing you good health, joy, and peace in your heart. Thank you for everything and be a blessing to others. Enjoy your special day with your family. God bless you more. Welcome to the club.
Art, may you have all the joy a life can bring, all the smiles your heart can hold, and all the blessings life can unfold. May you have all the world's best in everything. Happy birthday. Enjoy your dual citizenship.
Birthday, Arthur. Happy birthday, Arthur. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Masarap ang handa.
Hi, Kuya Arthur. Happy birthday from sunny San Diego. See you soon, I guess. Hopefully.
Yeah. Happy birthday. Enjoy
Happy
your
birthday.
day. Ingat kayong lahat. Love you all.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Hi, happy birthday, Arturo. May you have more to come. And welcome to our senior citizens group. Bye and God bless.
Hey, Arturo.
Happy birthday, Tito Arthur. Wishing you good health. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tol, Brad, happy 60th birthday. Dual citizen ka na. I wish you good health and many more birthdays to come na pagsasaluhan natin, pagsasamahan natin. See you on Saturday. And alam ko naman, hindi mo hilig ang laing. Kaya, tingin ko, yun na lang dadaling ko. Okay ba yun? Happy birthday ulit, Brad.
Kuya Arthur, happy birthday. Happy 60th. Senior ka na, so may mga discounts ka na rin. Kaso lang wala sa alak, so okay lang yun. Salute sa iyo kasi na-establish mo yung family mo, maayos ang pagdisiplina mo sa kanila, and na maayos ang ano nyo. So, continue mo lang yon. And
You are a good father and provider of the family.
so, tulong-tulong lang kayo. At least, ano ka na, malapit ka na mag-retire. So, bahala ka na. Ikaw mag-decide kung gusto mo na mag-retire o gusto mo pang pahabain yung ano mo. Bahala ka na. Basta, happy birthday.
Okay, so Kuya, alam mo ba, this is actually the second video recording, and then I realized that we've known each other na pala ng half of your life. Kasi 29 years na kami ni Noki together from the time we were GFBF. O, di ba? Grabe kalahati ng buhay mo. Nakilala mo na ako. At maswerte ka doon. Eh, syempre, reciprocated, maswerte yan. So, anyway, thank you for all your support. You've been a very good brother-in-law. We wish you all the best. And then, yun na nga, your career after your job now, we hope na matuloy yung pagiging public servant mo. Again, if it's for you, it's gonna happen. We'll support you all the way. Hindi ka naman na siguro kailangan mangampanya doon kasi sikat na sikat ka na dyan sa Sampaguita ba? Sikat na sikat ka na dyan. So, magsusuot na lang kami ng shirt mo pag mangangampanya na tayo. Okay? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday kay Arthur. Happy 60th birthday. Sana maging masaya ang birthday mo ngayon, maging malakas ang katawan mo, maging successful lalo pang yung sa trabaho bago ka mag-retiro sa mo. Sana makuha mo pa yung gusto mo pa. Sana maabot mo. At pamilya mo naman, masaya naman ang yung pamilya. Sana maging mas maganda pa ang inyong bonding ng inyong pamilya. Basta nandito lang ako, kapatid ko. I love you. Kahit kahit nasa malayo ko, basta nasa puso ko, kayo pa rin lahat, kapatid natin. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Kinantahan eh. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sino una mo sasalita? Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday po, Tito
I love you. Good health.
Minamahal ka.
Palitawa. Go, go. Palitawa.
Parinay, happy birthday!
Hi Arthur! Congratulations on your 60th birthday. I guess this makes it official. We technically are now really old friends. I just want to take this time to really thank you for being such a very good friend to my kuya mula noon hanggang ngayon kahit wala na siya.
So Arthur, on this special day, I just like to wish you a good health always.
And abundant blessings to come.
Happier.
Happiest 60th birthday, Arthur. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Art. Biro mo, dual citizen ka na rin? Okay lang tayo magkikita. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye. Happy birthday again.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Art, from the happy island of Catanduanes. And thank you very much for being our friend, our mentor, and our leader to all of us in ICTS. God bless you always. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, Art! Happy 70th birthday! Joking aside, really happy birthday. I hope you have a blast today. Enjoy it with your family. My only wish is for you to take care of your health. I always say that, and I will continue to say that. Have a great day, please, and I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Tito Art! Greetings from Angeles, Pampanga. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana manatili kang masayahin. And you don't look 60 kasi masayahin ka and parang hindi ka na-stress. And i-enjoy mo lang yung buhay mo with your family and with them. And baka meron ka ulit dyan. Meron ka ulit position dyan. Pwede mo ako ipasok. Pero yun, I'm always thankful to you kasi because of you, nakilala ko yung asawa ko and yun nga, I'm always thankful that I have a tito in you and a mentor at the same time back in DepEd. So I'm looking forward to seeing you again and I learned a lot from you, from your leadership and from you being a tito to me. So, yun lang. Happy birthday and enjoy the rest of your day. See you soon. I miss you.
Hi, good morning. Arto, totoo pala ang balita. 60 years old ka na pala. So, anyway, 5 taon pa bago ka mag-retire. But anyway, maraming salamat sa mga pinagsamahan natin. Lagi lang na mainuman. Wala namang naiba. But anyway, maganda naman yung mga pinagsasamahan natin at pinag-uusapan kapag nagkakainuman at yung tulong-tulong kapag mayroong problema. Pero sa araw na ito, siguro ang importante yung batiin ka ng happy birthday. I-celebrate mo ito ng buong puso dahil ikaw pala magiging dual citizen na, no? So, senior citizen ka na po nga pala mula ngayon. So, anyway, tatanggap ka na ng mga discount. Restaurant, sa butika, sa sine. Naku, baka libre ka pang manood ng sine niyan. But anyway, salamat din sa mga suporta mo sa akin, sa tulong mo. Mga payo na binibigay mo rin sa akin. Dahil alam ko naman nakakatanda ka sa akin. Kaya pinakikinggan ko yung mga payo mo. But anyway, enjoy your day with the family. At sana marami pa tayong pagsamahan. Sana saan ba tayo susunod na gigimik? Sa saya ng huling gimmick natin eh. Sana lagi tayong may ganyan mga gathering sama-sama, mga magpipinsan. And ikaw, kinukonsider ka na rin naming pinsan. Dahil asawa mo naman yung pinsan namin. So, again, enjoy your day. At happy birthday. Pahabol lang. Huwag mo kalimutan umorder uli ng cookies ko ha. Tsaka ng mga macarons at cupcake. Yan lang ang pinagkakakitaan ko ngayon. Anyway, hindi naman. This day is not for me, but this day is for you. Pero commercial lang yun. Anyway, again, maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. And happy Seniors Day na rin. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Arthur! Cheers!
Hello, Pinsan Arthur. Happy 60th birthday sa'yo. Wishing you a good health. Enjoy your special day with your loved ones, relatives, friends. God bless you. Happy 60th birthday again. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Art. Senior citizen ka na pala. Ang bata-bata mong tingnan. May you have the best day of your life. May all the desires of your heart be given in full abundance. Isang siksik, liglig at umaapaw na pagpapala sa iyong kaarawan. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal, pangunawa, sa hard work at sa patuloy-tuloy na pag-aayos ng USD. Enjoy your day at higit sa lahat, iintayin namin kung kailan ang iyong blowout. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ingat! Enjoy everyone! Happy birthday!
Kuya Arthur, happy birthday. Pasensya ka na, wala si Arlene dahil tinulungan niya yung kapatid niya sa piyesta, naghiwa-hiwa eh. Pinasasabi nila sa'yo na happy birthday. Naka-60 ka na daw pala. Sana maging malakas ka daw lagi at saka maging maayos. At sa akin naman, happy birthday kay Arthur. Sana lagi tayo magdasal na sa Panginoon para lagi tayo malakas, madagdagan na nga ang iyong edad para maging masaya pang pagkikita-kita natin dahil nasa malayo man ako, okay lang dahil nandiyan naman yung dalawa kong anak na kayong lahat ng kapatid ko tinutulungan nyo silang dalawa. Maraming salamat sa iyo, tsaka sana huwag kang magsawa maging sa pagtulong. Sana maging mahaba pang buhay mo para hanggang gusto mong mabuhay, okay yan. Lagi lang tayo magdasal para wala tayong sakit. Happy birthday kay Arthur. Naka-60 ka na, senior citizen ka na. Sana makaabot din kami niyan. Ako. Sige, happy birthday. Sabi rin ni Arlene, pinasabi na happy birthday rin din. At saka, pasensya na kung hindi siya nakasama. Happy birthday!
Hi Insan, I just want to wish you a happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your special day. Dalangin ko sa Panginoon Diyos na pagkalooban ka pa ng marami pang taon na makasama mo at makapiling mo ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay, lalo na ang iyong apo at mga magigipang apo. Masaya, masarap ang may apo, di ba? Kaya enjoy your day, enjoy with them, at naway pagpalain kayo lahat ng Panginoon Diyos. God bless. We wish you from Kuya Obed and Ate Carol. Bye!
Hi sir, kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Happy 60th birthday po. Ingat palagi. God bless. Miss you. Mwah.
Hi Sir Art, happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the Club of Dual Citizens. Ngayon may enjoy mo na yung mga benefits na na-enjoy namin. Basta ingatan mo yung health mo at saka ingat ka lagi. I miss you.
Happy birthday! Welcome to the senior group. May the blessing of God be with your family always. Enjoy!
Happy Sweet 16! Chef Art, gulat ka no? Ako rin eh. Wow, 16 years old ka na pala. Ang laki-laki mo na. Natatandaan mo pa ba yung unang-unang beses na nagkita tayo? Ako hindi na. Pero ito, tandang-tanda ko. Na-touch po kayo. Ang dami po talaga nating good memories, no? Hindi ko po talaga kayo makakalimutan. Hindi kita makalimutan. Have a blessed birthday, Chef Art. God bless you and your family. Be well, be wealthy, and be healthy.
Happy birthday sa'yo! Happy birthday, Sir Art! Sana mapusok mo kami!
Paring Art, happiest birthday. another year around the sun and another year of better friendship. Make every day a happy day on your senior years. Of course, with your family and with your loved ones. As well with us, your friends, your special friends. And rather true friends. Salamat sa friendship. No matter what situation is, no? Kung ano mang problema natin sa buhay, kung ano man yung mga dinadanas natin, fill your heart with love, faith, joy, and laughter. Payo ko lang, lagi tayong maging masaya para humaba ang buhay natin. And yun lang yung masasabi ko sa iyong kaarawan ngayong araw. And pagkita naman tayo minsan, no? Matagal na tayo hindi nagkikita. Namimiss na rin kita. Para tayong busy. Ako nga ngayon, nasa trabaho. And yun lang siguro. A toast to you, my dear friend, on your 60th birthday. See you around. See you soon. And God bless. I love you, pare. Thank you.
Happy birthday po, Tito! Wishing you the best po for your birthday this year, and may this year bring you lots of happiness and cherished memories with your family po. Happy birthday po ulit!
Hello, Parang Arthur. Greetings from Brussels. Gusto ko lang batiin ka ng maligayang kaarawan at sana ay nasa mabuti kang kalagayan. I wish you all the best and good health as always. Mula dito sa Brussels, from our family, kay Angie, kay Renz at saka kay Natalie, kay Frances and Rob. Happy birthday, pare.
Happy 60th birthday, pare Art. Katulad ko, dual citizenship ka na rin. Enjoy your benefits, pati mga discount. Malaking bagay ito para sa atin, lalo na sa mga medicines. Wishing you all the best, lalo na sa health mo. Sana pagpatuloy ang magandang kalusugan mo at marami pang blessing ang dumating sa'yo. By the way, pare, kapag kailangan mo ng tulong sa iyong senior citizen card, magsabi ka lang at ipapalakad natin kay Bunso para mabilis ang pagka-process. Again, happy birthday, pare. Namimiss na kita at yung pag-iinuman natin nila paring Rolly. God bless, pare.
Happy birthday, and thank you for always sharing your joy and your humor, not just with me, but with your family and your friends as well. God bless always. Stay safe, and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday ulit po.
Happy birthday, Sir Art! Welcome to the Senior Club!
Happy birthday, Sir Art! Welcome to
Happy birthday, Sir Art! Ang ngayon, Art. Ano siya siya? Ma'am, parang putol yung Ano ba nag-start?
Happy 60th birthday, paring Art. Wow, 60 ka na pala. Hindi halata. Kala ko 59 ka lang. Anyway, sana ay pagkalooban ka pa ng ating Panginoon ng mahabang buhay at malusog na pangangatawan para makasama ka pa namin ng matagal ang iyong mga kaibigan at ang iyong pamilya. Muli, happy birthday, pare. Hintayin ko ang application form mo para sa iyong dual citizenship. Papirmahan natin kay Mayor. Yun lang, pare. Thank you.
Paring Arthur, happy birthday. 61 ka na ba? 60. Anyway, enjoy your day, man. Alright. Bye.
Hello, Arthur. Happy blessed birthday. May all the desire of your heart matupad through the grace of God, through the favor of God. So, we declare that you are blessed beyond measure. Continue to be a blessing to your wife, to your mother, to your brothers and sisters, and to your pamangkin, to your apo. Thank you. Pray for a good health upon you.
Happy face. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi Tito Art, happy birthday to you. Good health always, many more birthdays to come. See you on April. Ikakampanya natin si Nili sa San Miguel. Ingat palagi. God bless you more. We love you from Finland. Bye!
Hello, Tito Arthur. Happy 60th birthday. Stay healthy and
Stay sexy.
stay sexy daw. Stay sexy. Papayat na. Medyo tumatanda-tanda na ang katawan. Hindi. Happy birthday na lang ulit. From your panganay na pamangkin. Wish you all the best. Be always happy. Always keep happy. And always pray to God. Yun lang.
Okay, so ang next na item natin yung sa NWRB, no, kailangan natin tingin sa board yung firma nila para yung ating request or appeal na ma-increase yung ating LPS. So pupunta tayo, dapat natin tapusin to sa itong weekend, no? Para ma-ready natin yan. Teka, may nag-text. Guys, birthday yata ng Marcelo baby ngayon. Is there letter A?
Yes!
Marcelo baby na senior citizen na daw.
Alam ko yun
Sino yun?
So, ibig sabihin, may edad na siya. Senior na eh.
Senior na. Na-senior na.
Sige. So, mula sa Executive Committee, Happy birthday!
Chairman! Happy birthday, Chairman! Chairman! Birthday, Chairman!
Happy birthday! Happy
birthday! Woo!
More power! Ayun.
Hello!
Hello!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Arthur!
Pare, happy birthday! Welcome to the club! Pero
Senior
ikaw,
ka na.
ikaw muna. Next year pa ako eh. Oh, yan.
Okay. Always stay healthy. Nangangayayat ka eh. Stay healthy for Binang and the kids
Oo.
and the apos.
Basta ganun, basta laging laging patingin, kailangan mo yan eh. Yung check up.
Ano yun?
Check up. Kailangan yung maintenance continuous. Para humaba buhay. Alam mo naman tayo.
Wow.
Siyempre, lahat ng bawal, yun ang gusto natin eh. Di ba?
Talaga? Talaga lang lahat ng bawal.
Wishing you all the best.
Ano ba yung mga bawal?
Wishing you all the best. Ano ba? Bagong kasal ba yan? Best wishes. Lahat ng
More blessings.
Yes.
More blessings. Stay happy with Binang.
Yes. Siyempre. Be healthy and happy. Stay safe.
Wow.
Bakit? Nasaan ba siya?
Parang pandemic, parang COVID. Okay, yun lang.
Yun lang. Sige, happy
God
birthday.
bless. Happy birthday. Happy 60th. Happy senior.
Happy senior.
Hi Manong! Happy birthday! Naway humaba pa ng mahabang taon ng iyong buhay para mas marami ka pang matulungan gaya ko. Salamat sa pagiging kuya sa akin. And welcome to senior high. Enjoy your day, Manong. And ingat ka lagi. More blessings. God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Sir Art. I know that yung time ho natin as office mates sa San Pedro was short. Pero I know that if I continue my path post working sa DepEd, we will meet someday. We might meet someday. I hope to see you soon. And again, a very happy birthday po sa inyo.
Hello Arthur, happy birthday. Pareho na pala kayong 60. Welcome to the club. Okay, see you.
See you.
In January. Why, are you coming?
No.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
enjoy. Have a nice party. Okay, bye-bye.